O you who rule the circling whole, who speak the stars, who shape the soul, you turn the spheres with silent hand, and guide the sea and seed the land. No law escapes your hidden will, no flame, no storm, no breath is still. Yet we so small, so lost in pride, forget the light that walks beside. O Lord of time, O voice in fire, restore the heart from vain desire. Teach us to bend, to rise, to see that all is held in unity. The just may fall.